Hello, everyone. Today, our expedition through the annals of media history brings us to the 18th century, a transformative era when Edmund Burke coined a phrase that would echo through the corridors of time: the fourth estate. Join me as we unravel the fascinating evolution of media roles and the birth of the free media model. In the 18th century, a notable shift occurred in the perception of media. No longer seen as disparate channels with little connection, scholars increasingly refer to the media in the singular, a cohesive entity with profound societal impact. Edmund Burke, a pioneering figure of this age, christened the media as the fourth estate. He was an Irish politician. According to Burke, this fourth estate played three pivotal roles: acting as a conduit between government and the people, serving as a barometer of public opinion, and functioning as a check on the misuse of powers by the rulers. For the media to fulfill these crucial roles, Burke and his contemporaries argued that it needed complete freedom, a radical departure from the earlier governance models. This ideal became a rallying cry. The sentiment was shared by influential thinkers of the time, as reflected in statements like, "We can never be sure that the opinion we are endeavoring to stifle is a false opinion. And if we are sure, stifling it will be an evil still." The conviction that citizens had a natural right to use pen as freely as their tongues marked a dramatic shift in the perspective. Today, we refer to this concept as the free media model. In the 18th century, this notion was revolutionary. The media had to break free from the shackles of government pressures and intimidation, paving the way for a new era. The lessons learned from events like the French Revolution underscored the risk of ignoring citizens' sentiments and the potential for the powerful elite to misuse unchecked authority. Governments worldwide began to incorporate these ideals into their laws and constitutions, guaranteeing freedom of the press and shielding media from censorship and government interference. Simultaneously, media professionals, particularly journalists, ascended to a higher status. They gained special clearance to attend government meetings, and politicians, recognizing the power of the fourth estate, started embracing it rather than suppressing it. This symbolic relationship between media and politics flourished. Political campaigns became scripted events orchestrated by the media, and influential politicians formed close ties with newspapers, often assuming roles as editors in chiefs or financial backers. The intertwining of media and politics became a defining feature of this era. As we delve deeper into this transformative period, a journey will unveil how the media landscape became a dynamic force, shaping and being shaped by the ideals of the fourth estate. So join me in the next segment as we explore the intricate dance between media and politics during this pivotal era. Until then, keep the flames of curiosity burning bright.